What's up guys, it's Joe. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing on the Canopy. We go to the beach often and we used to have one of those fold out tents, and we bought that for our first kid, and it seems like it's starting to get a little bit too small, a little bit overcrowded, especially if we have family, other members there. So we decided to invest in a bigger tent or a big canopy to bring out there, and I did a lot of research and I found this one to hopefully be the best one. Well, not the best one, best bang for the buck, I would say. This is supposed to be a very easy tent to set up. This is pretty much going to be the unboxing and my initial stance of how I think the product is. After I've used it a couple times, I will make another video to let you know how the product holds up, in the elements during windy times, and how long it actually will last. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Looks a lot more heavy duty than those square ones. Pretty solid. So far so good. Comes with the tarp, or the top part, canopy, a couple stakes, a couple pieces of rope, tie it down. The bag to store it in. Thought that was spider eggs, but it's not. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. Nice bags come with wheels. That's good. Again, it's the crown shades canopy. Go ahead and get this thing set up. Said a very easy one-man setup. Shouldn't take me that long, so yeah. I'm gonna stick this over here. Try to have enough room. This is the 11 by 11. I think it's the biggest one that they make. I'll spread it up to about that much. And the reason why I bought this one is because my wife's tiny, so she can't really help me out a lot with setting these things up, and most of the time she's watching the kids. So I wanted to get something that I can do by myself. Top part looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and stick this over. They got Velcro here, so they also got Velcro on the inside. Stick that in there. I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. Velcro is pretty good, nice and strong. That part was pretty easy. inside, I believe it has some Velcro in here. I'm not gonna put that on there yet. Strap it in. In here it also has straps, is what I was talking about. But I want to wait till I pop it open before I actually strap it in. So on the inside, it has like a centerpiece that you just push up. And as you can see, that was pretty awesome. Pretty easy. Folds down nice. Has a vent on the top in case the air is blowing really hard. And then just blow away on you. Go ahead and strap these in right now. So there are actually two on each side, one right here, and they're like that on all four sides. It's just awesome. And each one of these points is like a double stitching down there. There's like a double layer, gives it a little bit more protection. Go ahead and lift these up. Just one side. You just push the button down and you pull it down. Oh, that's pretty sweet. It also has these swivel seats so that it adjusts depending on which angle you want. And you can technically keep it like this. If the sun was on that side, you know, you'd have more space. This is so far so good. It's giving me chills. I like it so much. I did a lot of research on this, and I guess it really paid off, because right now my initial thoughts of this, with some more straps up here, is that this is going to be amazing at the beach. And I cannot wait to actually try this out on the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4. All straps are tied up. Let's go ahead and lift up this side. Again, you just push the button, slide this tube down. Do the other side. And as you can see, that didn't take long at all to set up. Literally probably took me a minute. Yep. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna give you an up close look at it. Looks like one side may not be up all the way. This side right here. I think it has 3 adjusting. Yeah. So you actually lift it up higher. Yeah, I'm doing it with one hand. That's how awesome this is. They don't have those little buttons that you have to push in and make sure it falls into the correct spot. Make sure everything's up. There we go. There's the little buttons that you push down. You just literally just push it down and it'll go up and down. Alright. So look at that. All 4 sides are up. Those straps, buttons that I was talking about. And down here it has those swivels where it adjusts depending on which angle the foot is. Alright, up here, yeah, I was telling you it was double stitched. It's also double stitched on the edge with a Velcro strap in. And right here, and another one right here. Back up a little bit so you see them all. So there's two on that side. It's just like that on all four sides. The vent on top, and this is the mechanism right here. It's a little bit high for me to touch right now. But I'll put it down or I'll take it apart and I'll show you how everything's done that way. So as of now, man, I gotta say, this is pretty sweet. I think my kids and my wife are gonna love this on the beach. So it's the Crown Shades, there's the logo right there. This is the 11x11. And while you're looking to buy this, be careful which one you buy. I mean, I don't know, the other ones are bad, but if you look at some of the other ones, the poles aren't these round ones. They're the square ones. I think that was the old design. Not sure if it's the old design or just the other type of design they have, but I made sure that I got the round poles because to me, I'm thinking that they're thicker, they look thicker, they're gonna last longer, hold up against the wind a little bit better. So that's it right there. I dig it. I cannot wait to use this at the beach. I don't need the spikes right now, you know, I'm not gonna put them up. So let me show you, or let me take it apart or take it down and see how easy it is. I accidentally touched the stop recording button, so let me set you guys up back at the camera. There's the shade, and I'm going to show you how to take it apart or take it back down. What I was told is to leave this up here. You don't need to take this off. Leave it on there. That way when you set it up the next time, it's even faster, easier. So let's go ahead and take this off. Push that button right there. Slide it down. I'm gonna let it down a little bit. Adjust it slowly so it doesn't mess anything up. This side, push the button. Go to the other side. This was, I believe, $130. All of the other ones are around this price range. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are more expensive. The ones that they say like heavy industrial use, I guess they use it at the other things, other event settings and stuff like that. But let me take you inside. And this is the lever right here that you push. And it literally just sinks it down, and then you're able to go from the end over here, just take one post up, lift it up and push it in. And I'm doing this with one hand, guys, so just think how easy that is to do with just one hand. So it folded all the way up just like that. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna squeeze it together. All right, let me lay you guys down. All right. There you go. Over here. Can't get no easier than that. Get this on here. yeah, it is pretty big, so you'll probably have to carry it one by one. I did just recently buy a wagon. I'm sure I can just throw it on the wagon and tow it out there. But also another good thing, it has wheels. Boom. Lift it up. Come on. That's pretty awesome. Can't complain so far. But this isn't really a review. Basically unboxing, setting up, showing you how everything looks. My initial thoughts, it's going to be pretty sweet at the beach. Hopefully the posts and everything hold up and we enjoy it. I don't think it's going to be a problem. From what I'm looking at, everything looks like it's good quality. I think it's pretty sweet. Alright guys, after we put this in a couple of uses, I would say at least 2 or 3. I may even do one after my first time I go out and set this up at the beach, but I would definitely go back and do another review to let you guys know how it holds up on the beach. But as of now, I think this is going to be money. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.